Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. And it's a heavy Sudoku in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, January the 14th, 2022. And I've told you earlier, no extra puzzles, so only two regular Sudokus. And I've decided to continue with the yesterday's additional. There are four puzzles left, but first, also not so. This is a misprint. Look, this should be a 7. This should be a 6. Let me correct this. This should be a 1, and this should be a 5. Okay, the misprint of the publisher. Yeah, the publisher has a misprint. Let me change here. Go like this. Yeah, let me yeah, misprint. Could be happen. Alright. Alright. Well, this Sudoku Heavy will be number 3979. Before I start with the Sudoku, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, a Sudoku in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, yes. Well, it's a heavy one, so I think I need more time. We will see. So let's get started. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 27 is a more easier than a 26 or 25 printed digits. If you have more pairs or more hidden numbers, then you need more time. Alright, so let's get started. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. The number 99. Seven. Okay. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1. A 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Then. How about? I'm thinking. 4. Yeah. 2, 3, 1, and this 1 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. Yes. And look, in the middle a row, 1, 2, 3, and the 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, and a 7. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3. Two. Let me think. 9. 1. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the first row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4 in this big square. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Okay. Three. Interesting. Yeah. It's not helping me, those figures or digits. Well, 7. We have a pair, I believe. Yes. Look. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing are the 1 and a 7. And the 1 and 7, yes. We have a 1 and a 7 in the last row, so no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 1 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Okay. Then we can use the 6 in this row, last row, 6 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Okay. And we have a pair, I believe. We have a pair again. In this column, we have a 6 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 6 and a 7. Here, yes. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7 as a pair. Because here it cannot be 6 and a 7. Okay. So this should be the 2 and a 4 then. 2 and a 4. Well, I leave this, otherwise it's too messy. I only fill the numbers in the big square, otherwise it's too confusing and you overlook some numbers. Well, in this big square we have 2 missing numbers now. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 9 and a 4, okay. But we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So first column, the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Oh, there, we see there's 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there, we see that 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. You see here 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 1. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 1 number left in this row for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. Then how about this? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. And these 2 missing numbers in this big square then. 1, the 2 is missing. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box should be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Oh, alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box will be a 2. And this box will be a 3. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, told you I need a little bit more time for this Sudoku Heavy, not faster than 15 minutes. Well, anyway, glad to finish this because it's heavy, but how heavy, well, do not know. It's solvable, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, with the other 4 puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Until then, bye-bye for now.